In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize videos in CapCut PC. If you've got shaky handheld footage or a bumpy walking shot, this is one of the easiest ways to make it look much smoother right inside CapCut. The built-in stabilization tool does most of the work for you, so you don't need any complicated settings or extra plugins to get a cleaner result. To begin, select the footage you want to fix. Go down to your timeline and click on the shaky video clip so it becomes highlighted in blue. This tells CapCut exactly which clip you want to edit. It's also a good idea to make sure your playhead is positioned over that same clip so you can see the preview clearly while making adjustments. That way, as you work, you'll always know you're applying the effect to the correct piece of footage. Once your clip is selected, move to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video section, open Basic, then scroll down until you find the Stabilize option. When you see it, click the checkbox to turn it on. As soon as you enable stabilization, CapCut will start analyzing the camera movement in your clip automatically. This process helps the software understand the motion and reduce unwanted shake in a more natural-looking way. Depending on the length of your footage and how much movement it has, this may take a moment, so just give it a second to process. After that, you can fine-tune the result by adjusting the smoothness level. Click the Level drop-down menu to choose how strongly CapCut should stabilize the shot. In most cases, recommended is the best starting point because it balances smoothness and natural motion really well. If your footage is especially shaky and you want a stronger correction, you can switch to Most Stable. That setting is more aggressive and can help lock down heavier camera movement. Keep in mind that when CapCut stabilizes footage, it automatically crops the frame slightly and smooths the edges to keep the horizon more level and the shot looking clean. That's completely normal, and it's part of how the stabilization works. So if you notice the frame looks a little tighter afterward, that's expected. Once you've chosen the level that looks best, you're done. Your video should now appear much smoother and more polished, with less distracting shake. This is a quick but powerful adjustment that can make a big difference in the overall quality of your edit.